Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you guys are doing fine. So, we will be picking a few oracle messages for 2025 for all the zodiacs, starting with the Aries. So, it's going to be for Sun, Moon, and Rising, and I'm not going to get into predictions, okay? If you want, you can go for your personal reading for detailed readings, or if you want to know what is exactly happening here, we're just going to pull a few messages from the universe, whatever universe wants to tell us. So let's begin. Let's see what do we have. Okay. Very specific energies. Oh my god. My god. So guys, you have to be like, all right, let's begin with the reading. So the first card that we got is the card of focus. Okay, definitely I think it's pretty much clear that you need to focus on your goals. Okay, there will be a lot of challenges. Okay, and when I say challenges, I'm not talking about challenges in the sense of obstacles, but there will be certain hardships. There will be a lot of work. I see you working really hard. Okay, I see you being completely focused on your work. Your entire focus is going to be on your finances. It is going to be on your purpose. It is going to be on your career. Okay, and I also feel that you will be recognizing your true potential. It's like जो अभी तक potential थी, something that has been lying as potential, now you're going to turn your potential into your power. Okay, so you are turning your potential into your power. All right, so you can also use this affirmation that I turn my potential into my power. Okay, or I become the potential. Okay, so yeah, I think the former one was much better, because it is giving us more clarity, right? So yeah, talking about that, and I also see that even if you will be working hard and everything, I don't see that you will be rushing. I don't see that you will be panicking about it. I don't think that you'll get anxiety about all the hard work and overwork and this and that, because I feel that you will be very much in your center. You will be very much focused. You will be very much grounded, and at the pace that you're going to work, okay, it's going to be superb. It's going to be amazing. Okay, so this is the year of complete focus. This is the year where I see you working a lot. You will be getting a lot of projects. Some of you might get a lot of invites, okay, related to work. Some of you are attending a lot of conferences. You might even go and give a speech somewhere. So now is the time for you to shine. Okay, and I don't think that you would want to focus on anything but your purpose, anything but your career, anything but your passion. Okay, so that energy is very much there. And to be very honest, okay, I don't know about your external environment, we'll come to that, but internally your masculine and your feminine is going to be super integrated. So you will know when to rest, you will know when to work, you will know how to manage the day, you will know how to manage your time, you will know how to manage your work. Okay, so that energy is very much there. Okay, जब आपको slow down होना होगा, when the situation will require you to slow down, I see you slowing down. When the situation requires you to work in pressure, I see you doing all the work as well, so without any tension, without any stress. So it's going to be a stress-free, hard working, following your passion, following your desires wala year. Okay, now coming to another card, which we have two of earth. So I think here universe, or there will be situations, because since you will be too much focused on your work or your career, there will be times where your family may complain. Okay, or your partner may complain about you not giving time to them, you're not spending time with your family, you're not spending time with your person, you're not spending time with your friends, and your friends and your family, they would really want your attention. Okay, so it's like they might even bug you a little, they might even, come after you saying that, come on Aries, spend time with me, you need to spend time with me, you're not giving me any attention at all, this and that. So that is going to be there, but I think you will give time to them, but honestly I see you breadcrumbing them, which is not a good thing for sure. But I don't think that you'll be doing it intentionally. I just feel that, you might withdraw yourself from any kind of emotional relationships in 2025. Okay, and the only reason, there's no other reason, but it is your passion. Okay, it's time for Aries to perform, it's time for Aries to be on stage, it's time for Aries to shine, it's time for Aries to be available for people, it's time for Aries to exist on earth. Okay, and existing with purpose. So for you, you might have this mindset that I am not only for my family members or for my friends, but I'm for everyone. Okay, that is going to be the mindset for you. Then we have beauty, and it says I'm a spark of divinity. Divinity, divine energies, divine aura, divine beauty, all of it is going to be there in your aura. Okay, you are going to walk with a charm, you are going to walk with that grace. Okay, you will be embracing yourself and people will be really drawn to you. बहुत ज़्यादा मैग्नेटिज्म वाली एनर्जी मुझे दिख रही है. You are going to be someone where everyone would want to be your friend, where everyone would want to be your person, where everyone would want to talk to you, spend time with you. I also see that there might be a lot of suitors for which you will have to maintain really healthy boundaries, for which you will have to use your discernment and not your emotions, or getting carried away by emotions, because there will be certain people who are going to be there for you because of your success, okay, that you will be gaining in 2025. It can be because of your beauty, because I do see that you are really getting beautiful, more and more beautiful. And this, even if you look externally beautiful, the only thing that will make you stand out from others is your beauty and your aura. Okay, it's the divinity, because I see you stepping into your divinity. Okay, I see you stepping into your spiritual spark. Okay, it's like, if you are a feminine, you're going to look so feminine, and yet you'll be able to do all the masculine work, that is a feminine masculine integration, and vice versa. Okay, it says change me divine beloved. So you can also do this prayer which says, change me divine beloved into one who knows without question my own beauty, worthiness and desirability. So like I said, people are really going to desire you, they will really desire your energy, your aura. Okay, their aura will change when they will be with you. Let me remember constantly who I am, love itself in a temporary human form. Okay, so you have to love yourself, and you will be loving yourself in 2025. And this love is beyond just physical appearance, beyond just mental stability or emotional stability. It is all not all about, but this time a lot of spiritual spark is being added into your life, a lot of divinity wala spark. Okay, archangels will be walking with you, archangels will be supporting you. Then we have boundaries. So you can work with goddess Ishtar, and it says love yourself enough to say no to others demands on your time and energy. Okay, so here you, like I said, that there will be a lot of people who are going to pursue you. Okay, and I also see that there will be certain family members, for some it can be your own parents also, where I think you will also receive a lot of respect from your parents. Okay, your parents are really going to look up to you, because you're doing something really brave, you're doing something really excellent and unique in this year. Okay, कुछ ऐसा स्पेसिफिक लग रहा है जो बहुत ज़्यादा सक्सेस आपको देके जाएगा. ओके, इट कैन बी अ प्रोजेक्ट, इट कैन बी डूइंग समथिंग क्रिएटिव, इट कैन बी एनीथिंग. ऑल राइट. एंड फॉर दैट, since people are really going to desire you, people are really going to love you, people are going to get attracted to you because they'll feel that magnetism. So for that you will have to maintain boundaries. And I don't know why, I have a very strong feeling this is a very particular message when it comes to your relationships. Okay, because there can be few suitors who would want to pursue you. Okay, so here you will have to be like really specific, you have to be really choosy, you have to be in your high value woman era or high value man era, where you can maintain very strong boundaries, you can be assertive, and you have a strong discernment, because you are attracting certain unhealthy people who are just wanting you, okay, or see you as a trophy material. Okay, so they would want your success, they would want your beauty, okay, they would want your personality rather than wanting to be with you. So you have to be very careful. Okay, whenever you talk to anyone, make sure that you look at the details. Okay, you look at the body language, you look at the tone they use, the tonality, the words. So you really have to observe each and every detail about any person that you talk to. And if you have been in any kind of unhealthy relationship, I do feel that these people are really going to improve. Okay, especially if I talk about your family, I strongly feel that maybe your parents have not been so kind to you. Okay, or it can be a mother, it can be a father, it can be someone else in the family, but you have faced some kind of bully or some kind of disrespect from them. So I see all these unhealthy relationships also turning into healthy relationships. I see them improving. Okay, I see them valuing you. Okay, and I see them having regrets, I see them feeling guilty, I see them feeling a bit small, that because I think you going to do something that they did not expect. Okay, especially your family members and your very close friends. So this is the time where you get the justice when it comes to value and respect, something that you always wanted. And the final card that we have is the card of Kali. Oh my god, abhi pata kya hua? This was a Kali card, एंड यहाँ पे मैंने अनहेल्दी रिलेशनशिप्स वाला कार्ड रखा था, एंड एकदम से ये स्लिप हुआ और अनहेल्दी रिलेशनशिप्स वाला कार्ड जस्ट वेंट टू एक्सट्रीम कॉर्नर. ओके, एंड वहाँ पे भी there's Kali only. So Kali Ma is definitely going to remove all the unhealthy relationships, and I definitely feel that you don't have to worry about unhealthy relationships that much. Okay, because Kali Ma is going to look after you, she is personally going to look after you. So if you worship Kali in this year, in 2025, okay, like if you make her your personal deity and you really worship her, she is going to give you the justice. And even if you don't worship her, she is going to work with you very personally. She's going to look after you, she's going to look each and everyone around you. Okay, it's like she's going to give you the space and the path so that you walk on your purpose, so that you do not get distracted, because for other things, for all your personal stuff and all your relationships and blah blah blah, she's going to take care of it. She is coming to slay the demons in your life. Okay, completely. And I feel that she's going to come in your life with a very ferocious form, because there will be a lot of enemies also. There will be people who would want to use you, who would want to use your energy. There will be people who will have their own personal agenda towards you, and she is not going to entertain that at all, because she understands you, she knows what your intention is, she knows where you're coming from, and she cannot tolerate any kind of injustice or unjust happening to you in 2025. Okay, any kind of, so बहुत गंदा वाला slay करेंगे. तो I think if anyone tries to do any harm to you, I think they're just just inviting problems for themselves. They're just inviting trouble in their life. Kali Ma is going to walk with you. Okay, it's like मैं जितना ज़्यादा बोलूँ ना उतना ज़्यादा कम है. You can be completely fearless. Here also we have boundaries, okay? You can say no to whatever you want to say no. You can say yes to whatever you want to say yes. You can be in your complete freedom. Why? Because Kali Ma is taking care of you. So you're really, really close to Kali Ma and she is choosing you. Kali Ma has chosen you for 2025. Aries, okay? She has chosen you. It's as simple as that. I don't think I have anything else. She's going to balance your life. She's going to take care of you. If you can, do connect with Ma Kali. She is really blessing you guys, okay? So I hope this reading helps you, okay? And I hope you have an amazing year. So that is it, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.